Hey guys, today, let's try how to put a big follow button on Instagram. So if you guys are wondering how to put a big follow button on the Instagram application, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna go ahead and teach you guys how to do this, step by step. So please watch this video until the end. Find out just how. Alright you guys, so what we need to do first is to go ahead and log onto our preferred accounts. And once we're already here, I want you to go ahead and tap on your Instagram account and make sure that you're already using a business profile. I do have many tutorials about converting your personal account over onto a professional business account on Instagram on this channel. So just go ahead and watch that video before we proceed with doing this. So once you're already done with converting your Instagram application or accounts to a business profile, just tap on edit profile right here. And then I wonder what you guys should do next is to proceed with editing the action buttons. So from here, we need to go ahead and do next. As you proceeded, we are using a business account. So if in the case that you are not using a business account, I'm gonna go ahead and make sure first that I'm currently using one. So let's try to view that on our professional dashboard over here, and let's see the option to change our settings, and let's see if it is actually possible for us to proceed with the viewing our account type. Alright, so once we have already changed and switched to a business type on our specific account, what we could actually do next and proceed with doing from here is to try to go ahead and add a action button on our Instagram account. So I'm gonna go and just try another Instagram profile over here, and let's see if it is actually possible for us to do this. So from here, if in the case that you cannot really see the option for us to change our big follow button, also add a big follow button on our Instagram profile. Of course, we need to go ahead and make sure as well, first, that we are currently on a business account, and then proceed with tapping on your edit profiles. Now from there, just go ahead and choose the preferred action that you want to go ahead and set to that action button, and you're all set. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this and subscribe, and take care.